Hey friends, it's Simon Hurley and welcome to my first online class, all about different ink techniques where you add water and get really cool results. Once the color starts moving, you'll know that you have enough water down on there. I'm just going to pull this off. You can see most of that water, like I said, seeped into the surface. Spray this, you can spray it once or twice I recommend, and then stamp it down onto your surface. These are some of my most favorite colors to use for a galaxy. It just kind of brings in a little bit of bright color. The more it's going to lift off, but depending on what kind of skin tone you want, whether you want lighter or darker, you can kind of mix the colors. I think that's super cool too. You can always die cut out of this. You can definitely bring it in a little bit lighter handed and they'll blend beautifully into here. Because you can put it in the center of your card, it doesn't mean you can't use it like this. I'm gonna peel apart one of the sides and we're gonna be using this for our stamping. I love this one and I hope you guys do too. I've kind of formatted these more like an in-person class so you guys are able to follow along with me, which I think is really cool. And I'll see you guys very, very soon for another card making and crafting video. Have a great day. Bye!
Yeah.